Campus Wire saves drafts of posts that you've created but haven't shared yet. To create a post draft, you'll create a post just like you normally would, select a category, enter a title, and enter a post body, and we'll autosave that draft as you compose the post. In this case, I want to come back to this post later to share it. So I've composed my post and it's autosaved. So when I click out of that post, I can navigate to the My Private Drafts folder just underneath the All Categories dropdown. I'll click my most recent post draft. I can edit that post until I'm ready to share it with the class. And when it's all ready to go, I'll click the blue Post to Everyone button.